Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Preparation of Cycloalkane. Now we discuss preparation of cycloalkane. First preparation are form dihalogen compound. Suitable dihalogen compound on treatment with sodium or zinc give corresponding to cycloalkanes. The reaction is an extension with Wurtz reactions and may be regarded as internal Wurtz reactions. Reactions that can be given below. So the dihalogen alkane react with sodium in the presence of ethanol, convert to cyclopropane product are present plus 2 NaBr. Next reactions dihalogen compounds react with zinc in the presence of ethanol, convert to product are 4 cyclic rings. Next, preparation of cycloalkanes for calcium and brominium salt of dicarboxylic acid. Calcium and brominium salt of dicarboxylic acid, when the calcium or brominium salt of adipic acid, flambic acid, subbaric acid and heated cyclic ketones is formed. So cyclic ketones may be rapidly converted into the correspondings of cycloalkanes by means by the Claisen condensation. The most named reactions are important of Claisen condensations. So the calcium adipate in the presence of temperature convert to cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone react with zinc Hg in the presence of HCl, convert to product of cyclopentanone. Next preparation of cycloalkanes are from ester of dicarboxylic acid. The ester of adipic acid and subbaric acids are treated with sodium and undergoes the intermolecular acetoacetate ester and condensation and beta ketoester is formed. So the beta ketoester on hydrolysis give the corresponding of cyclic ketone. Cyclic ketone on reduction and yield to the corresponding of a cycloalkanes. Okay. Next preparation of cycloalkanes are from ester of decarboxylation. Decarboxylic ester are converted to product are formed in a Dieckmann method. Dieckmann is similar to the Claisen condensation. Dicarboxylic acid ester react with through the intramolecular condensation in the presence of sodium or sodium alkoxide from cyclic ketone with a Claisen reactions for cycloalkanes. So the generally few is 6-membered rings, 5 and 6 membered rings of cycloalkane are prepared for in these methods are known as a Dieckmann method. Okay students, तो ये होता है अपने पास प्रिपरेशन ऑफ साइक्लोएल्केन्स. स्टूडेंट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्लेजन कंडेंसेशन, डीकमान रिएक्शंस और पर्किन रिएक्शंस आर नोन एज ए साइक्लोएल्केन प्रिपरेशंस. ओके, थैंक यू.